Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 8th. Today we are going to start lesson number 3rd, part number 1. Our topic is lists and tables in HTML. So let's start. List. We use bullets and numbering options in the word processors to make our lists. Similarly, in HTML, for making a list of items to be displayed on our web page, we use list tag. There are two types of tag. First is UL, an unordered list. This will list items using plain bullets. Second is OL, an ordered list. This will use different shames of numbers to list the items. In this chapter, we will learn how to make an ordered and unordered list. The table given below is an example of unordered list and ordered list. First is unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order. This list is created by using UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. Before every individual item, we have to use LI tag. LI means list item tag. Different designs of bullets can be used in a list. Default bullet style is disk. It is a container tag, that is, at the end of the list we have to type /UL. Every item in the unordered list is marked using LI tag. Attributes of the unordered list. The type attribute specifies the design of the bullets to be used in the unordered list. There are three types of bullets. First is disk, second is circle, and third is square. Disk is used for a filled circle and circle is used for an unfilled circle and square is used for a filled square. Let's do a practical. Open your notepad window and type here. First tag is HTML, second is head, third is title. I am giving the title unordered list. Close the title tag. With slash. Close the head tag. Now use body tag. Here we use unordered list, unordered tag. Our unordered tag is UL and I am giving the type of bullet is disk. Now I am typing the type of items. Suppose coffee, LI means list item. Second item is tea. Third item is lemon. Now close the UL tag. Now I am giving the second type of bullet select your items, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste, and we can change type circle. Now again paste and give the type square. We use here three type of bullets. First is disc, second is circle, and third is square. Now close the body tag and HTML tag in the last of the program. Save the file with Ctrl S in the desktop, giving the name unordered list .html. Save with save button, minimize it. This is our file unordered list. Double click on it. This is our items and this is our types of bullets. First is disc, second is circle, and third is square. Thank you.